Homeowners are getting the message. Those record-breaking prices mean it's a great time to sell. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Compared with last August, the number of homes on the market increased in almost every East Bay community. But those same high sales prices may have contributed to fewer homes sold. We'll kick off the weather report along the 880 corridor. Inventory was up everywhere. The largest percentage increases were in the smallest communities. Newark had 60 homes for sale, more than twice as much as last August. San Lorenzo had 22 homes, more than 4 times as many as last year. And Union City, with 53 homes on the market, had almost twice as many. Looking at sales, it's a different picture. Even with 2 months in a row of increasing inventory, sales were down during August. Again, the small communities had the largest changes. Sales dropped in Castro Valley with 44 homes sold, and in Union City with 36 homes sold. Let's look at what's driving both inventory and sales. It's high prices. There were 3 communities with prices way up compared with last August. Alameda topped $1.17 million. Fremont was more than $1.25 million, and Oakland was at $900,000. Moving over to West Contra Costa County, the inventory situation was somewhat mixed. 18 units for sale in El Sobrante, which was down from last August, and 35 units for sale in Hercules was also a drop. Inventory was up everywhere else. On the sales side, big drops. El Sobrante down to 6 units sold, only 14 in Pinole, and Richmond dropped to just 63 sold. Again, it's sales prices. They were up everywhere in West Contra Costa County. The largest increase was Hercules, jumping from $585,000 last August to $700,000 this August. But compared with the rest of the East Bay, San Pablo at $442,000 is still relatively affordable. Next, Central Contra Costa County. More mixed inventory. Clayton, 15 homes, and Martinez, 59 homes, were both down from last year, but a big increase in Concord, 160 homes, and Pleasant Hill with 36 homes for sale. As for homes sold, only Martinez had more activity compared with last August. The big drops were Clayton with 11 homes sold and Walnut Creek with 46 sold. Looking at prices, no surprises here. Well, maybe one surprise. Pleasant Hill had the largest increase as prices topped $882,000. The surprise is Walnut Creek, where prices dropped slightly from $1.06 to $1.05 million. La Miranda continues to be interesting. Inventory, mixed. About 10 more homes for sale in Lafayette, but inventory down in Moraga and Orinda. Sales, mixed as well. 27 homes sold in Lafayette, down from 39 last August, and only 7 sold in Moraga. No change in Orinda. Prices? No big change in either Lafayette or Moraga, but Orinda was up from $1.5 to $1.62 million. Let's check in with the Tri-Valley. For the second month in a row, more homes on the market compared with this time last year. Big increase in Dublin with 52 homes for sale, Livermore with 108, and Pleasanton with 99. As with other areas in the East Bay, Tri-Valley sales were down. Alamo at 23 homes sold was the only exception. The big drops were in Dublin with 42 sales and San Ramon dropping from 72 to 47 homes sold. On prices, they're still increasing, but only slightly. Prices in Alamo and Danville, that's 1.6 and 1.3 million, were only up 1% from last year. San Ramon did stick out with a 20% jump to 1.27 million. We'll wrap it up in the Delta. Lots more homes on the market in Antioch, 155 compared to 96 last year, and a big jump in Pittsburgh too, from 60 to more than 100 homes. Looking at sales, the Delta was a bit different from the rest of the East Bay, with increases in Antioch and Brentwood, while Pittsburgh dropped from 76 to 64 homes sold. Sales prices were up, but not dramatically. Antioch was at $460, Brentwood just under $600, and Pittsburgh up to $446. That's it for the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll see you next month.